So we're at the cafe where we're gonna be filming.
Like, am I allowed to?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it's just this. Oh, you screw.
That's so nice.
That is nice. Where we should put,
See how these lamps.
like, that's a nice color.
That's a nice one. I'll find something similar.
It's about 16 and a quarter, maybe.
Yeah.
Todd, how are you feeling about things?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Todd, do you have a leveler? Oh, you are from I think it's What's nice about this angle is we can put camera. If you put camera here, you get both Hazel and Joe.
You can do that anyway.
Well, yeah, but I'm small. No, he's not wrong.
Bro admitted defeat. Like,
I know when I'm wrong. Right?
yeah, it doesn't look bad actually. It's like a soft, warm source. Right off the chart.
Nice.
That's so cool.
Two. Because my other plan was just to black wrap the stands. You don't see it.
Oh, we can put it over there.
What's the ND
On the top.
Yeah, yeah.